Can you believe it? Well, I'm ready. Got my roofing hat on. Got my headlamps on. Hell's coming down a little bit. I have absolutely no signal at this camp spot I'm at right now. Got here at about, I don't know, 7:45. Had enough daylight to put a couple minnows on a hook, and got a little nibble. Flew the drone a little bit. Got some nice shots and whatnot, and then all of a sudden it started lightning. Nice lightning show. I got that on video too. Well, and wouldn't you know, I get back here to the camper, and luckily I have a TV signal because I don't have any cell service. Severe thunderstorm warning. Areas affected: Taylor, Texas, Granger Lake, Granger Dam. That is exactly where I am. I don't know if you can hear it in the background. I can't see radar, so I don't know exactly where it is right now. There's some hail coming down. It's not super hard. Every now and then I'll hear a quarter size or something like that hit. Anyway, I've got the camera or video shining up to the vent here. I'm just waiting any minute for a golf ball to come through. If the storm hasn't hit, it says it goes till 9:30, 60-mile-an-hour winds. I haven't felt any winds yet. I don't know, there might be a tornado brewing out there or something next to me, but here I am. It's right up my alley though. I hate for people to get damaged by hail, but if that happens, I'm all for that. Raining diamonds, baby. As if I wasn't busy enough. Anyway, I'll just keep this recording here. We'll see what happens. Yeah. I got water. I've got a lot of lamps, USB charging. They put out some bright light. In fact, I think I'll turn this one off. Man, I wish I could see some radar right now. I mean, I can't even get a cell signal in my truck. I'm just tucked back in this little cubby hole. I did move my truck, my new truck, underneath the tree. It's got some pretty good tree coverage. Hopefully, if there does come a big hail, maybe that'll protect it some. We'll see. Of course, could get some heavy wind and that could jack it up. I don't know. I'm praying all that doesn't happen, but anyhow, we'll see what happens.